Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Dribble Studios channel. Today we're going to be continuing on with the Infinite Runner series. This will be the final episode in the series. This episode we're going to focus on creating high scores and a public high score. So what we want to do is go to variables. We're going to make a variable. We're going to call it world record. We're going to make sure it's a cloud variable. If it's not, then it won't work. Make sure this cloud variable here is ticked, and then we want to hit OK. And as you can see next to the world record, yeah, we know, there will be a cloud icon. Now, because there's a cloud icon, it means that it is a cloud variable, which it means it's stored on a server, which means it is online. And what we want to do is make I'm going to go into backdrops to do this one. So when green flag clicked, we're going to grab forever. If then, we want to do greater than, score greater than world record, set world record to score. Boom. Simple. And I'm also going to, when green flag clicked, set score to 0. So now let's beat the world record. As you can see, we are beating the world record right now. Lovely jubbly. Some bananas on the floor, jump over them. Butterfly, jump over them. Basketball, jump over it. Another butterfly, jump over it. Another ball, jump over it. Another ball, jump over it. Instead we hit it because I'm bad at this game. Alright, so I need to fix this glitch here where I don't know if you saw it. However, kept running for some reason. So this will be quite easy. So we want to go to events. When I receive menu, stop all other scripts in this sprite. So as you can see here, we're running. If we get hit by something, it will stop. We also need to drag this into the player. And I'm going to clean up the blocks. And as you can see, it should now stop the player from doing whatever the player was doing before. And as you can see, it does take quite a long time for the obstacles to come along. To fix this, we just go to the obstacles. If you want to change it, you can just change it. And as you can see, wait. We will just set this to maybe 2. As you can see, it should now arrive at like 40. 50, 60, 70. Oh well, it's quicker than it was before, so there we go. That is it for the Infinite Running series. If you guys did enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.